I can tell you one thing you can be.
If you want me to be honest.
Okay. I can tell you one thing you can be honest about. I can tell you already had a lot of wine. Come on.
Okay.
All right. So this you picked up at Finish Line at the Ghettos Mall in Houston.
Yes, God.
Guns Point Mall.
Yes, and it was empty. And I just walked in.
Thank God.
And all they asked for was a driver's license and your ticket, and then they give you the shoes and
Those
you're
are
done.
nice. So those are the denim retro 3s. Those are nice. One of my favorite shoes.
They got the fluffy logo.
The fluffy logo. That's not a fluffy logo, by the way. That's just a regular Jumpman. There's no fluffy there.
Not the fluffy that way.
Jordan and fluffy are two totally different things, amor.
Okay.
It's a good looking shoe. You want to see the back? I like the clear. You see that? A little clear.
Jump me in.
No, not an invisible. It's a clear plastic thing that goes over. Oh, it is an invisible Jumpman. Okay, fine.
And then, what is this
Then
for?
that's the air bubbles for cushion support.
And what's this?
That's the new denim. That's the denim color. It's in the elephant print, like they normally come, like the lasers. But that's like in a denim color. See? Almost looks like a blue jean.
Cool.
Come
So
on.
this is leather?
I don't want to get to the Yeezys. I like those, but I like the Yeezys. Where's your box cutter? You didn't even come prepared. Oh my God.
You don't need one, sir.
Okay, let me
Look.
see. Do it.
Look.
All right, go for
You'll
it.
see.
All right. I want to look. I want to see you opening them. That's about it.
You know, they're trying to cut into our profit because this box won't be usable anymore. That's what they're
I'm
doing.
sure you got a lot of other boxes.
Oh. Yeah, I just found out that the UPS boxes are free. Still, it's abusing the system. According to some film. Oh wait, no, look, I can do it. They don't put enough glue.
You got it? It don't matter. We got 3 more boxes. Take it in the box. A box within a box.
Make it like this. These are 10 and a half.
Your phone's not that, by the way. Careful. You wash your hands, by the way. Oh my God.
See, so these open blind.
No, I'm serious. You should wash your hands because those are like a creamy color. All right. Look at
Down, you know, it's a creamy color.
Oh.
Your birthday shoes? Your birthday shoes?
Oh my God, these are nice. I like them, but I do like my citrons. I like the darker ones, but these are very, very nice.
Look, you can see through if you want to be slutty.
And I like my zebras. Oh yeah, that's why you wear these with different color socks too, and you can actually look at the different color pattern. Yeah, these are nice. I like Yeezys because of the comfort.
Wait,
They are.
So how do you tie them? You just pull it?
No, you tie them like a regular. Whoa, wait a minute. Did they change these? No. What the? Oh wow, I was not aware of that. Okay. So yeah, I guess you just kind of, you know.
Oh wait, look. They had them tucked in here, I think. I guess it's like a thing proving you haven't worn them, I guess?
I don't know, just don't pull it though.
Because it looks like a breaking. Like if you break
No,
it.
there's no breaking on that. There is no breaking on that. Just put it back in there. We'll figure it out right now. I have no idea. You know what? To be honest with you, I think somebody finally realized that you do not need to tie your Yeezys if you get the right size. They fit like a glove. So I actually love that idea. I might just keep these.
This person here.
Those are nice. I gotta figure that out. It looks pretty cool.
Yeah. I was like, wait a minute. I thought it was like those.
Well, you're right. I
ones.
did not know that. We need to find out a little bit about them.
You know, like, oh wait, there's more stuff.
Oh, wow, that's the first. Oh, wow, that's
And more shoes. Real shoes.
okay. Interesting. All right, put them back in the little package, please.
And then this is just how to take care of your stuff.
All right, yeah, put those back in there and Interesting. I did not know that. I'm kind of shocked when you showed me that. I was like, what is that little rubber thing on there? Alright, well, interesting. I like the shoe though. I really do like it a lot. Very nice shoe. And how do they pronounce this new Yeezy? They always come out with these funky names.
What is that one called?
It's Rafi.
Where?
Right there. It's Rafi.
No,
The
is it
Yeezy
Rafi?
Boost 350 V2 is Rafi.
It sounds more like